So we've got a scheme and we want to do some drafting in Rhino and then bring that drafting back in. So I'm going to export this project as a GeoJSON. There it is. And I'm going to go to Rhino and I'll just delete this. And I've got a nice little Python script, which I'll link to below, which you run this Python script. And this is the one we're talking about. It's called giraffe to rhino.py. Open it. It prompts to load a file, input giraffe model path. I go to my downloads. That's what I'm talking about. And boom, it creates that little building in Rhino with the usages and the colors as they were. And so now I can, maybe I do this and do I type in top? There we go. Okay, now I can draft with Rhino. And maybe another one of those. We're going to have to keep it in polygons because DXF doesn't support polyline, like NURBS to my knowledge. So maybe I'm doing some kind of crazy landscape scheme. All right, but say I've done this. Now what I can do is I'm just going to delete the giraffe geometry. And then I'm going to file, export, and I'm going to save it as a drawing exchange file, DXF, and I'll say test.dxf, and I'm just going to save it to my downloads folder. Export. All right, now we come across to Giraffe. I'm going to import a vector layer and I'm going to browse to my downloads. There's test.dxf. Open that boy. And there it comes. Now I can save that as a layer, or I can actually just import this into the project like that. And I've got these shapes now. So these DXF shapes have come directly from Rhino, and I'm going to change them to landscape or whatever I want to do. And that's how you can leverage the drafting tools of other packages and just bring them into Giraffe. So if you want to set up grids or outlines or guidelines, that's how you would do it.